A one-day public discussion on Umanglai Harauba and transgender was held at Lamjingbatomtv Palace compound in Imphal today. A sit-in protest was staged at Duisenphai Community Hall today against the recent life attempt on Yu Natasha, daughter of human rights defender Urikinbam Nobokishore and activist Mangsatabam Sobita on the 4th July 2019 at Thongju, Boroimokong. The body of an unidentified man was found this morning at Chingmairong Cemetery in Imphal East. Further details are awaited. The Jomi Reunification Organization reiterated that the outfit will give no hindrance to any developmental work taken up by both the government and non-government agencies in Manipur. This was stated in a press release. It also mentioned that agencies need to obtain letter of acceptance from the organization before undertaking any work. Ahead of Indian Independence Day celebration, Porompat Police Station and Imphal East Reserve Line jointly conducted a social service camp at different places of Porompat and Imphal East today. People facing possible statelessness are not the only ones feeling the National Register of Citizens heat. The stress on the updating exercise appeared to have taken a toll on the Assam government officials too.